Hi guys, Crafting 101 here. Today we're going to be making a caterpillar puppet, just like this one here. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, I really appreciate your support. So let's crack on with making this caterpillar. So first and foremostly, I've used like a sellotape roll, drawn around the inside of it, and then drawn a caterpillar shaped face. Now I'm going to get my scissors and cut that out. So we've cut out the face, so now we're going to move on to the body. So now what we've got is we've got an A4 square cut down, so it's 21 centimeters square. And what we want to do is, quite simply, measure 1 centimetre from this end and 3 centimetres from this end. 1, 2, 3. And the same at the bottom. 1 centimetre and then 3. 1, 2, 3, like so. Now what we want to do is we want to draw a line from this 3 cm mark to the bottom, and a line from the 1 cm mark to the bottom. So we've got 1 centimetre gap here and a 3 centimetre gap here. So every 1 centimetre we want to make a mark along each of the top and bottom lines that we've just created. Sorry, my head was in the way there. Let's move that. Right, so every 1 centimetre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get the idea. I'll come back when it's all done. So now what we want to do is mark off the bottom exactly the same way, every 1 centimetre increment. And then with our scissors, and a sharp knife, I'm going to score down between the 2 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we've cut all of the lines with the knife. What we want to do now is with our ruler, we want to bend this up towards us. And score it down, and we want to do the same with the bottom line. Like so. Now we want to put Pritt stick glue all the way down this edge. Go over it 2 or 3 times. Like so. Then what we want to do is bring this edge to that far edge there. 1, 2. We just want to seal that down nice and tightly, making sure it's level all the way across. Like so. And then what we want to do is we want to bend all these coils now. Let's get the ruler in there. With a ruler, just gently brush them over. They will go like so. Now what we want to do is with a skewer, we want to cut or push the skewer through around about here on both sides. So just gently push that through the paper. There we go. Can be a little bit fiddly. And then on the same principle, it's alive. We want to push it through on the other side. Like so. And then with a second skewer, do the same at the back end. So push it through like so, and push it through again. That goes all the way through, and then level it off. Then with the face, you just want to put Pritt stick again all over the back of the face. Like so. And then gently pick it up and turn the Caterpillar to you, and just stick it on. And there you have your caterpillar. So what we want to do now is we just want to trim the edges off of the skewers, because we don't want any sharp edges for kids to stab themselves in the eyes with. So with a Stanley knife, like so, and the same with the other end. And there we have it, one completed caterpillar. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Really appreciate your support. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.
Sky